From nothing to the cyberpunk tech hub in just 4 decades. Hello everyone, I'm Miao. Welcome to my channel. I'm in Shenzhen now, not in Beijing. Where is Shenzhen? It's in deep south of China, sitting right by the sea. Look at the view. So beautiful, isn't it? And Shenzhen is right next to Hong Kong. You know, after the reform and the opening up policy in 1980s in China, this city exploded. From nothing to the cyberpunk tech hub in just 4 decades. You know, when you go to Beijing or Shanghai, you can meet locals, right? Just like me, I'm Beijing local. My parents, my grandparents, they lived in Beijing. They was born and raised in Beijing, and my whole entire family's history is in Beijing. But in Shenzhen, you can't find the people like that. Everyone here is from somewhere else. They came here 30 or 40 years ago to build this city. For example, my friend, he is a Beijing local, but he came here 2 years ago for a job. And his girlfriend, she was born in Shenzhen, so she is a Shenzhener, but her family is from Sichuan. So that she is the typical Shenzhener. Because of this, Shenzhen is a massive melting pot. You can find different food, accents, and cultures all over China. So there is no Shenzhen accent because, you know, people who live here, they are from somewhere else. So, you know, it's so unique among all the cities of China. And another crazy thing, Shenzhen is so close to Hong Kong. You know, just the other side of the bay. That is Hong Kong. You can see Hong Kong. I remember when I was in the university, and I used to fly to Shenzhen and then across the border to Hong Kong, because the ticket from Beijing to Shenzhen is much cheaper than, you know, from Beijing to Hong Kong. And you can literally take the subway to Hong Kong. Just you know, they will check your identity and cross the border, and then you can take the subway to Hong Kong. So convenient. But you know, nowadays the situation is totally flipped. Shenzhen is developed so fast, and the things here is so affordable. So every weekend, not exaggerating, every weekend, Hong Kong people across the border to come to Shenzhen. They come here to shop, eat, and relax. So I think Shenzhen is the ultimate symbol of China's economic takeoff. All the newest, craziest tech is tested here. So that's my, you know, roughly introduction about Shenzhen. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment and let me know. I will explain this city to you. And this is Shenzhen Bay. The water flows into the South China Sea. But look at this place. Look at the environment. It's so green. I can't imagine, because, you know, I'm from Beijing. Beijing is winter now. Everything is gray and no leaves at all. And you know, another thing that shocks me a lot is about the grass. You see? People walking, sitting on the grass. I can't believe it. Because in Beijing, the grass is strictly protected. You know, growing up, I see all of the signs on the grass is the, you know, don't step on the grass, keep off. I can't believe it. I can, you know, stand on the grass. When I went abroad, yeah, maybe in your country, yeah, it's also very normal to sitting and walking on the grass. Yeah, it's also very surprised me. Yeah, but in Shenzhen also. In Beijing, no, there's a fence around this grass, and there's a sign that keep off, don't step on the grass. I think because of the climate, it's very difficult to grow. Yeah, in Beijing, the grass very, very difficult to grow, so we have to protect it. But here, everywhere is green. And look at the architecture here. Wow, this one looks like the bamboo. And this one, can you guess what it looks like? This is a very popular building in Shenzhen. I saw it online. When you search the Shenzhen tall buildings, you will see it, because it really looks like the airport. Right now, I'm at the very famous park in Shenzhen. It's in the center. It's called the 人才 Park. 人才 means talent. So it's a kind of weird name, a park named Talent. Because I see this stone, see? I translate it. Use my GPT. The sentence means the essence of innovation-driven development is talent-driven development. So that's the slogan of Shenzhen. That's how Shenzhen, to develop the innovation. So they think talent is the most important thing. Okay, but good for Shenzhen, but not because the name I came here. This park is not allowed the delivery guy to come in. So it's a very large park. So people walk, run here, hang around here, and when they feel hungry or thirsty, what these people do? They also can order the food through that one. This drone counter, this delivery counter. Follow me. Here. Scan the QR code. Oh, a lot of options. Milk tea, KFC, McDonald's, and of course the noodles. Can you see it clearly? A lot of restaurants on it. Fried chicken. I finished my order. It's a Chinese traditional dish, because I think it's more, stunning when you order some Chinese traditional dish, not a milk tea. So many brands here. And the delivery fee is 7 yuan. I'm the new user, so I have some coupon. So about half an hour, my food will come here with the drone. Look. So many people here. My food is coming. Oh, the drone want to drop it in my hand? Drop it in my hand. Of course, no, on top of the counter. The box, the large box. Oh, okay, that's my food. The last four number of your phone number. Oh, pick up here. Wow, a large box.
柜门已打开，请尽快取出餐箱，并将餐箱放入空投柜码标。
And here. How to return the box? Here. Oh, this is my food. And this one, you have to return the box. Very clear how to do it. Oh. So flatten the box. Here, in the recycling bin. Done. Oh, this is my food. I want to sit there. Yeah, to face the bay, face Hong Kong, and to eat my food. What I ordered. The rice. Oh, pickle. Oh, cucumber. The cold dish. I didn't order it. I think it's a gift. And here, this one. The chicken, spicy chicken. See? I didn't order McDonald's or KFC because I think it's boring. But if I can eat the rice and the dish, stir-fried dish in a park, I think it's fabulous. With the beautiful view, and I can enjoy my dinner. So futuristic, don't you think so? Oh, I want to move to Shenzhen. You know, I think it's not just a show, the drone delivery, because I spend about 1.5 hours here, you know, to film the video, to see the opening and order the food. The drone is non-stop, many deliveries. So I think it's not just for a show, it's really, you know, useful. Oh, it's not dark yet, so I will hang around in this place. And then when the night is coming, I will film a video about the night. This place is so-called the Manhattan of China. So I want to show you what's the Manhattan. So waiting for me. Just finished my dinner with my friends, and Shenzhen become very cold at night. As you can see, the park itself not very bright at night. Not so many bright light at the park. The government responds about this question. I saw the news because they want to protect the birds, so they won't install a very bright light at the park. Oh, very natural friendly. You know, the government said during the daytime, the park belongs to the people who lived here, and at night, the park belongs to the birds. Oh, that's, yeah, very kind. But behind me, you see all of these tall buildings, yeah. You see all of these tall buildings, very shiny. Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah, it feels like, you know, I come from a very small town. I surprised with everything in Shenzhen. Yeah, only one afternoon, I already fall in love with Shenzhen. So I will film more videos about Shenzhen. Like tomorrow, I will go to the legendary Shenzhen Bay electronic market. So stay tuned with my channel. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Yeah, I will film more videos when I'm in Shenzhen. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you.